How to connect sports wireless Bluetooth headphones to a Pixel 7 Pro phone with Android 13. And let's get started. If you have a set of wireless headphones that looks similar to these here, you probably got them from eBay or Amazon here. First, make sure they have some battery life in it. And while they are in the off state, you want to go ahead and long press the multifunction button, which is usually the answer and call or the power on or off button here. So while off, you'll hold it down and don't let go until you see the blue-red blinking light. So go ahead and do that, hold it, and keep holding it until it starts to do this here. Once it does that, let it go. That means your earphones or headphones are now in a pairing mode state and ready to connect to your Pixel phone. Now on your Pixel phone, you can go ahead and use the quick panel access and look for the Bluetooth toggle here. Long press it, and that'll take you here. Then select where it says pair new device. Once you're in this section here, it's going to enable the Bluetooth settings and it'll start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. So wait for the name of your sports wireless earbuds to show up. Check your manual guide to see the exact name of it. Mine in particular is called Bluetooth Music. When you see it, tap on it once. It's going to say pairing. You'll get that pairing request, usually for the contacts and whatnot here. And when you see it, just press pair, or you can check the box, then press pair. And it will show that it's connected, tells you the battery percentage of it, if it's fully active, and that's that. You can go here into the settings and enable it for phone calls, media audio, or as a mic if you need to do that. All right, like, sub, and thanks for watching.